If you hate onion or you are what they call onion phobia, please, this video is not for you. Do not watch. But if you love onion like myself, then this is for you. And I can assure you it got loads of benefit for you. So this is onion sauce. We are making in your pot, heat up, add your palm oil and get it heated. And to that, add one seasoning cube. Depending on your quantity, you can add more. Then add some salt and come in with some Ghana pepper. This Ghana pepper is very important. Yeah. Okay, give it a little stir and ooh, here comes our onion, the deal breaker for this sauce. This is onion sauce, guys, and it's very healthy. Yeah, fights a lot of, it's an antioxidant to your body. It fights cancerous cells. I said it got loads of benefits for your body. Okay, so now give it a stir and allow it to fry. This onion has to fry until it looks like something that is very soft, not translucent but soft. So for that you have to cover it up. Yeah, so it's been frying for some minutes and I'm trying to check how it's doing because it needs to fry very well. Okay, to that I have added the grated scotch bonnet pepper, and you have to add a pinch of crayfish. You get why you, for this sauce you have to add this, but don't over add, because if you do over add, it's going to change or alter the original taste known with this onion sauce. Okay, so you do not want to alter that. Then keep frying, and wow, it's getting ready. Look at the way it looks right now, and in a short while we're going to take this off the flame, but you need to cook further so that the onion gets a very, soft look. And then you add a little water, just very little amount of water. That one wasn't enough, so I had to add a little amount more, and then cover it and allow it to cook to soften the onion. Wow, now this is what I'm talking about. This onion is onioning. It's onioning. This sauce is saucing. Okay guys, and yeah, oh my goodness, eat this with anything you want. Eat this with your white rice, eat it with your white yam. And for this, I served it with my boiled yam. And yes, guys, it was mwah, it was great. Like you keep going to the pot like say you know the belly full. So this is where we call it a day. Kindly like and comment.